In this video, I'll show you how to gift a game on Steam in 2026. First, open Steam and sign in to your account. Next, go to the Steam store and find the game you'd like to gift. On the Games Store page, click Add to Cart. Once the game is in your cart, select Purchase as a gift instead of purchasing it for yourself. Steam will then display your friends list. Choose the friend you want to send the game to and click Continue. You can also add a personal message, including a greeting, note, and signature if you'd like. After that, complete the payment process using your preferred payment method. Once the purchase is successful, Steam will send the gift to your friend's account. They'll receive a notification and can accept the game to add it to their library. If your friend doesn't accept the gift, the game will remain pending until they do. And that's how to gift a game on Steam in 2026. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.